Not too happy. Not too happy at all. We got some new devices.
Show me what you got, hey, show me what you got, hey.
What's up, YouTube? This your man Calico, the Truth Reviews, and I'm back in the building with another video. Also, the wife is here. Today, we woke up a little early. I don't know if I really want to go through the whole little structure of our day, of how everything went down. But you know what? Since this is an unboxing video, let me rant a little bit. All right, let me rant a little bit. All right, so we woke up this morning. We went to AT&T. We was gonna see if we gonna switch carriers. So AT&T didn't really fit what we wanted. So we left AT&T and we went over to Verizon. Verizon over in Fayetteville. So long story short, we went over there. They said, yeah, you know, we got the phones. We got the 16 Pro Max. We got only 4 of them because Apple brought maybe 4, Apple devices there. That's all they shipped to them. So cool. They shipped to them 4 devices, and we sat around and was like, okay, well, maybe we about to get a phone today. Cool. Long story. And crazy situation, all right? Crazy situation. The lady stopped us and said, listen, these are the ones that are available. The iPhone 16, the regular 16s. We was like, nah, we want the Pro Max. And they was like, nah, we can't give them to you because those are for our new customers, the guys that's coming in to establish a new service. So we was very teed off about that. And then we went to another Verizon, of course, because after that whole situation, that whole debacle, we definitely didn't want to carry in any negativity going to the next location. So we just went over to another Verizon. Cool. We went to go pick up our devices. We went to go pick up the devices. The guy that was helping us, of course, I guess we had a little issue where they were trying to get some situation with the system resolved. But all in all, they only had 2 colors there at the Verizon that we just left. Her color, which is Desert Titanium, mine, which is Black Titanium. So all in all, man, like that was just my little rant, man. I had to go on that little rant about the Verizon, man, because I feel like that's unfair to customers that's been there for a long time, especially a customer like me. I've been at Verizon for over 4 years now, so I'm definitely gonna call and complain to their customer service. But all in all, man, we ended up getting the devices. That's all that matters. Back to pre-order day though, we actually woke up late, so we couldn't actually pre-order them. And by the time we tried to pre-order, they were only available October 14th or something like that. Some crazy date after the actual launch date, which is today, September 20th, 2024. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open up the boxes, even though they've already been unboxed, you guys.
But we didn't touch them. We haven't looked at them or anything, but they had to open the box to make sure that the phone did actually activate in the store.
Yeah, the Verizon that we went to, they actually had to open up the box and actually check it because they said for insurance reasons alone, just due to the simple fact that they had basically, they said that they didn't want the devices to actually be compromised in the box, I guess, defective, and then we had to come back up there and then they have a big issue on their hands. So for insurance reasons, they have to open it up on camera in the store to be able to just get that first-hand experience that the devices actually work, they power on, they work, and they function properly, all right? So with that being said, Bay has the Desert Titanium, I have the Black Titanium. So let's get into this unboxing. I have the Black Titanium, the new color.
That's not new.
Well, I have the Black Titanium. It's not a new color, all right? I got the Black Titanium from last year, my old device. My old device is in 256. This is 512 gigabytes for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, all right? So, with that being said, Bay has a 256 and a new Desert Titanium gold color, which we're going to be very excited to check them out. We didn't actually really look at the colors in the store when they had to open them up because you know, we want to get that full experience of seeing them firsthand and comparing the color, the sizes, and of course the new iPhone 16 Pro Max this year. From the specs alone, they're saying that they got new cameras on them, the new 48 megapixel ultra wide fusion camera. They also got 4K 120 frames per second. They're also saying that from this year's newer iPhone 16 models, they're supposed to be promoting Apple Intelligence, which is not going to drop right now. It's kind of coming incomplete because they're saying that the actual beta is supposed to start in October for them. Right now, my iPhone 15 Pro Max is still running iOS, I think 17, right?
Mine is running 18.
Hers is running 18, mine's still on 17. I just wanted to try iOS 18 on a new device so I can actually compare it for my own personal preference. But so far, yeah, we're definitely very excited about this unboxing, you guys. So we'll go ahead and I'll have Wifey go ahead and unbox both devices. I'm gonna let you go ahead and open up the devices here, and we are going to showcase them in all their glory. All right, you guys, so we got the iPhone 16 Pro Max in titanium black, which Wifey is trying to open up the box here. She's having a struggle right now. Okay, all right, cool. That's pretty cool, man. I know you can take my phone out of the case actually to see if it actually looks the same. I mean, as far as the titanium black color this year, is it any different?
You could definitely see a size difference, that's for sure. But
yeah, it's definitely a bigger size difference.
The color looks like it's identical.
Yeah, for sure.
All
right, and Bay is about to unbox her new desert titanium color.
This actually looks kind of pinkish.
Yeah, it looks really kind of
like a light beigey, pinky-ish color.
Yeah, it does. It really does look like a light pinkish color on cam.
On camera, it looks like what the rose gold was supposed to be on like the iPhone 7s.
Definitely.
Well, yeah, I'm not mad at it. I didn't know how it was gonna look because I was thinking I was gonna get this and end up taking it back and getting the white one, but I think I like this one a lot. It's cute.
Okay. So. All right. So.
And that compared to the white, you can really see the difference in the color.
Let's see. Compare it to the white here. Okay. So, what do you think about as far as like the height and the width of it? Do you think that it's just about like how much bigger is it? Do you think like compared together?
It's not drastic, but I'm sure it makes a difference once you're looking at the screen.
Yeah, it's definitely taller, a little bit wider.
Yeah.
So it's definitely a little bit wider, for sure. Okay, and then also you guys, the new camera feature that they're actually implementing this year is the new action button. I'm guessing it's not an action button, but it's
camera something button.
It's like a camera function
button. But they said it's not a button.
But they say it's not a button, which is crazy. It's a button. Yeah, but we're gonna definitely give these phones a shot. I'll go ahead and take off the plastic, even though they had to pull up the plastic to see if the phone actually cut on itself.
My first time touching it.
So this is our first time actually touching the devices. What comes in the box, honey? What comes in the box with Verizon?
Let's see, with Verizon, the phone, for sure. I got a nice braided cable. I'm sure it's only 3 feet. That's what they do. Then we've got, that's it.
Okay, so we don't get no Apple stickers, y'all. No Apple stickers this year.
Did we use the Apple stickers?
Not
a mountain
really.
of Apple stickers that I've never put on anything.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the only instructions for the phone.
Oh wow.
That's it. Apparently, everything you're supposed to be able to ask Siri and Apple Intelligence now.
Yeah.
If you need any information.
Pretty much. All right. Well, Cool. All right, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and give our phones their first boot on screen here. Well, matter of fact, let's go and pull up the plastic at the same time. Got a head start on me. All right, that's cool. All right, that's cool.
Does it feel bigger? I don't know.
Actually, it feels a little bit.
I'm not gonna hold you. This one feels heavier.
Which
a little
one?
bit.
This
the old one.
The old one
feels a little bit heavier to me.
Yeah, the old one feels a little bit heavier.
Which is odd because this one is bigger.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think that it's really like that much of a difference.
I think this one feels a little more top heavy on the camera.
Okay, so we can go ahead and give these devices their first boot, and then we can go ahead and figure out the rest. Hold on, one second.
I already pushed it.
All right.
But you know what the weight reminds me of? Like when you would have like phones back in the day that you could remove the battery. Like it feels like a phone without the battery in it. Compared to this one. It's like this one has a battery in it. This one feels like it doesn't.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. And then, they also say that these devices got the biggest, longest battery life of any iPhone, which I'm going to actually test. I'm going to test it out.
Because this one here overheats, the 15.
Yeah, and
I'm getting notifications already, so it's activated.
Yeah, me too. But also, guys, if you guys want to see me do a day in the life iPhone video again, let's get this video up to let's say about 200 likes. All right, let's go for the gusto. Let's go for the most likes on this video. If you guys want to see me do my day in the life video, hit that like button, man. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And we do appreciate y'all, man. And I'm definitely liking this new color.
Yeah, I do too. I didn't know how I would feel about it, but it definitely looks pink. Okay. It picks up pink. And I've been wanting a pink.
All right, Pro Max. And we're going to go through the settings real quick. iPhone 16 Pro Max looks like might be slightly brighter than last year's display. What you think? All right, so let's see. Which one is brighter? Do you think the 16 Pro Max on the left is brighter than the one on the right for the 15 Pro Max? It definitely looks brighter. Mm-hmm. It looks brighter.
For sure. And this one ain't all the way up. There we go. It's still brighter.
Yeah, it still looks brighter compared to the 16 Pro Max and the 15 Pro Max. Looks like the 16 is definitely brighter. So, what about the new camera button, babe, on the iPhone 16 Pro Max on your left-hand side there?
What about it? Well, yeah, open the camera.
Yeah, it got photographic styles. It says try it or set up later. Okay, so see if you can press in, long press on it. Okay. Okay. So you zoom in and out physically. Okay, and then you can change the actual aperture, some of the styles, some of the features on the actual device itself. So that looks pretty cool. All right, cool.
I mean, I'm probably never using this ever.
You're probably never using it?
No. I'm glad it doesn't activate easily. You actually have to put force on it.
All right, guys. So with this year's designs, look like they have more like a bubble design. I'm not sure. And then from last year, where they actually had the actual detail of sand.
Yeah.
So that is the black, and that is the new desert titanium color.
And this was white titanium.
And that was the white titanium last year for the 15 Pro Max. Okay.
And the boxes are a little bit bigger, just like the phones.
Yeah, the boxes are a little bit bigger, just like the phones. So yeah, you can definitely spot a difference. All right, guys. So that was the complete unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I do want to test out this phone further. So like I said, drop a like, comment, share, and subscribe on the video. And let's get this video up to 200 likes, man, for that day in the life iPhone 16 Pro Max day in the life video. Just as far as just camera quality, if you guys want to see some 4K samples, Definitely trying to shake things up a little bit. See how the low light actually works on the camera this year. And just go forward with everything. What you think?
Sound good.
All right, sounds good. So with that being said, man, you guys take care of yourselves and each other. And we're going to check y'all out on the next video. This has been Calico the Truth Reviews. And we'll check y'all out on the next video. Deuces.